this is really the truth about it. That somewhere in my heart and my soul, I'm a broken guy, but I'm also a very well accomplished guy. And those two coexist in the same place. It's a movement committed to acknowledging, addressing, and advancing relationships between all fathers and sons. My name is Charles Dorsey. My father is James Dorsey. Men of character and integrity are built over time. I believe that some of us have been living on stories that have not been told properly. And we have the power to retell it. If you made a promise and you broke it, forgive yourself. If somebody made a promise to you and they broke it, forgive them. You have stories that you don't tell because they're not valuable to you. This Fathers and Sons Speaking is really about listening. Stop talking and hear the story and hear the other person's truth. We don't want to alienate any man in this room. People need to see you wrestling through the tension of trying to understand your own story, where it is that a man stands in front of other men and says, hey, this is me. And so the time for men walking around invisible is over.
To understand my own story?
Because our voices are too important.